Many petrol pumps across the state have shut down, leaving the general public struggling to refill their vehicles at the few stations still operating due to a cease work strike by oil tanker transporters. Long queues formed in front of oil pumps yesterday as panic buying spread until around 8:30 p.m., with similar scenes repeating early this morning at stations with remaining stock. While many pumps ran completely dry, some were only able to dispense diesel. Meanwhile, the black market is thriving, with petrol widely available through unauthorized sellers at inflated rates of 130 to 150 rupees per litre. Tanker drivers initiated the strike yesterday over the government's failure to address their grievances, primarily the collection of illegal taxes on national highways. This follows a memorandum submitted by the Manipur Petroleum Transporters and Drivers Association on July 15, which issued a 15-day ultimatum as well as a subsequent round of inconclusive talks with authorities on July 29.